The final technique we're going to cover in making it difficult for spam bots to fill out forms is using a third-party service called Mollom. Mollom was created by the founder of Drupal and is owned and operated by Acquia, the same company that provides Dev Desktop. A lot of people in the Drupal space end up using Mollom because it snags a lot of spam and also it's fairly transparent to the end user. It uses a slightly different technique where it takes the content that's being submitted, checks it for anything that seems spam-like, and if it seems sketchy at all, it presents a CAPTCHA to the user to submit to prove that they're a human. So the first thing we want to do is set up a Mollom account. So I'm going to search for Mollom, and let's click Get Started. Mollom is a paid service, but it's free up to 50 legitimate posts a day. So it could still be catching thousands of spam posts, and as long as you're not letting through more than 50 pieces of content a day, then free is sufficient for you. So this is great for development and for small sites. So let's get this. So if you're following along with this, fill in whatever username, email address, and other information that's relevant to you, and then we'll submit the form. Go ahead and verify your email address. All right, I just clicked on the one-time login link. You might recognize this from our site. This site is built on Drupal, so the one-time login link and reset password system is the same. I'll click login, and I'm gonna go to Site Manager and add a new subscription. We'll click Get Mollom Free, and it's asking us to put the future URL in here. We'll call this a company site. It's for a customer. We'll select English as the language and Drupal for the software, and we have agreed to the terms of service. And next. Let's verify it by clicking Complete Subscription, and we can view the keys just like we did with reCAPTCHA.